Hello, my name is Thibodeaux, and today I'm going to be talking about my research proposal, which is soil health and carbon emission measurement. So, as a background, Fresno County, it's a major agricultural hub. It produced $8.59 billion worth of crops in 2023 alone. It's due to this rich soil in the Central Valley. And we've also produced like livestock and such, but they aren't as huge as some of the crops like nuts, fruits, vegetables, such like that. So, a main component of that soil is actually the soil organic matter. So, when exposed to oxygen, it releases carbon dioxide actually into the atmosphere, which losing that carbon will negatively affect your soil quality and your soil health. So, how can we actually reduce those carbon emissions? And how can we actually quantify that term of soil health? So, the work that I would like to propose is that I will be working on measuring those carbon emissions over a Fresno State farm that we use to measure biochar, which is shown on the right. So I will be working with faculty and graduate students to really help me understand soil health and really help me test using the same biochar plot. So we'll be testing the soils using a backpack-like machine, which measures the carbon emission of that soil. And then also testing the soil for like temperature, organisms, and the time of the soil, which was produced by the Smithsonian, which gave a soil quality function, which said CLORP, which is climate, organisms, relief, parent material, and time. So I will be looking at those factors and seeing, can I figure out our soil and the rating of our soil and reproduce it for different types of soil. So my expected hypothesis is that areas where big tractors are being used would produce the most amount of carbon emissions due to the tillage and kind of reduce or uplifting that carbon or the soil organic matter up into the oxygen, which releases that into the atmosphere, and vice versa, where no big machines are being used, then less carbon emissions would be produced. So the impact of this is that other counties and other countries or even nations could replicate our rich soil and help them produce more crops and more money for agriculture and kind of help understand soil health and as it relates to quality. So to conclude, I hope to get a better understanding of soils around the Fresno County and help quantify carbon emissions and soil health by using our soil as an example. So getting a better idea. Thank you.